Hi, this is Mr. Hendrickson, and this is your Conceptual Physics Slinky Prelab. The single most important thing you can do for this lab is to make sure you read the directions. This lab is all about making observations. If you need to perform multiple trials, please do so to get the correct observations. When you go to setup, it instructs you to walk off a distance of 5 to 8 meters. Under no circumstances should you be measuring at this point. When you go to create your waves, you'll make transverse and longitudinal waves. Transverse are made by flicking your wrist side to side, and longitudinal are made from pulling bits of coil and letting them go. You should always keep your slinky on the ground, and at no point should you ever lift it up. Lifting it up to create waves creates a disaster and a very upset physics teacher. At certain points, we'll ask you to start referencing left versus right. Left would be the left of the person creating the waves. The right would be to the right of the person creating the waves. Make sure you're consistent with that designation throughout the entire lab. Here's another example. This teacher is also going to be creating transverse waves. His left would be left, his right would be right. Again, here's this physics teacher, Mr. Gearman, creating compression waves by taking small bits of the coil and letting them go, producing longitudinal waves. Again, the slinky's on the ground. At certain points, it asks you to use the string. In order to prevent you dropping the slinky, wrap the string around your fingers a couple times and then hold the string. This will prevent you from letting it go and creating a disaster. Make sure you position yourself in a place where you can get the best measurements, somewhere where you can see the entire length of the slinky. Do not let the slinky go at any point. Doing so, again, creates a huge mess, which then really upsets your teacher. Grrr. There's the slinky at the end. Look at how unfolded it is. Make sure you put it back together and get it in the box when you're done. And that's it for the pre-lab. Thanks for viewing, and make sure to read the lab, follow all directions, and make the best observations possible.